songwriting and script writing and acting and singing and dancing. And I think one of the best things about the performing arts just in general, especially with Aspire, is that you have so many opportunities and there's so many different facets for you to really try everything. Back in 2019, they took a group of students to the Civic to see the production of 365, and it was really inspiring just to sort of look at that and go, oh my gosh, I could do that too.
Singing was sort of something I was a little bit more nervous about. Acting was always my number one. I think since Diosounds I've really grown in confidence with performing and my stage presence, things like that. And since then I've sort of learned how to work with people a lot better and learn a lot more. Sort of in my secret little hope that maybe Aspire will get a program running or something like that. And last year they started, and I think that was the best experience because it was finally where I could work in a sort of musical space where I could do drama, singing and dance and collaboratively put all three of those together.
I know that I wouldn't have had that opportunity if it wasn't for the support of the team here at Aspire, the community that flows, and to have such a positive support network of people around you. And it's really honestly inspiring.
Then I got the chance to audition to go overseas to America. We get to visit New York, Atlanta and LA. We have an amazing experience. Now in January, Ivy and I are heading off to the USA and will be exposed to, an international range now.
If you had told young Ivy that she was going to be travelling to the USA for a musical theatre opportunity, her mind would have literally exploded.
All these opportunities were sort of just thrown at me, and it was kind of it was everything I'd sort of been hoping for. Now I've made so many friends, I've learned so much, I've built up my skills, and now I'm in a really great place, which is awesome.
The dream truly is to be a professional performer and to perform across the world and sing and dance and just have fun.